Well, welcome back to the adventure. I want to show you this. We got these graphics done in November, and don't get me wrong, the quality of the product I really like. It's good product. You know, it's not, you don't see a bunch of blurring like they like to do, and everything's good and crisp. The problem I have is here with this perforated, you can see here starting to peel away. Some down this edge right here, kind of gnarly going around the windows. Little spot right here where you can see it's coming away. Here they tried to patch it or something. That's an extra piece on top of there. I'm not really sure what that's all about. And this around the window here, for the most part though, I really did enjoy. You can see here a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. It's peeling up a little bit there. Here they tried to fix a corner of it, and just some alcohol something there. That needs to be repaired. Oh, hey, whoa. Look at this window. This ain't good. Oh, hell. Got a knife cut. You can see right here, this coloration starting to peel up. I don't know if you can see that up there, where it's peeled away a little bit. So, what this boils down to is the quality of the product is good. Don't get me wrong. The quality of this perforated, they covered with clear, was good. See, starting to peel up there, all up along here. Yeah, see? Down here. Not real good around the ball again. I mean, hell, if they want, I'll take the windows out, put plastic over them, and bring them in. You can see here where they not exactly the best. Right there, starting to peel away. Here, this needs to be repaired. Now what's going on is I paid 7 bills for this. As you can see, it's peeling away there also. And what it boils down to is, I know they're older windows, but this is just piss poor workmanship. The quality of the product is good. The quality of the workmanship is garbage. They should have cleaned around the windows a lot better. Instead of just getting in there, wiping it all off, they should have got in, went along the edges, instead of doing a wipe off thing. These are old windows. There's going to be a little bit more dirt and grime towards the edge. You can see where he fixed it here, and now I've got a nice little stain of some kind. Actually, it feels like the vinyl's been tore off. Well, isn't that nice? Yeah, okay, so then here you can actually see some reflectix behind there. It's, I don't know, it's just, granted it was November, COVID and all that, but still, there's no excuse for piss poor workmanship. These people pride themselves on what they do. And it's a little company in the area. Where I live, it's only about a mile down the road. Little place is called Signet Marketing. And like I say, the quality of the product is good. I like the vinyl, I like the perforation, that's what I wanted. The decal is what I wanted perfectly. They sent them back. Let's see, look at this. Right there where they cut that. Now granted, it's not the easiest thing, but take your time. A little bit of moisture on the windows so that you can move it around. And yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, now they did do a little something to the windows. You can see right here some discoloration. I don't know if you can see that, but where they tried to fix it. I don't know. Then there's air bubbles. Yeah, okay. And my wife took it back, and they did try and do something. Said they were going to have to redo this back one because of that around the knob, and that they'd send me an email to let me know when. I think it was about 3 weeks ago. So yeah. I'm not happy with it at all. And I don't know, maybe I should take it somewhere else and have it done and then bill them for it. I mean, I do have a final recourse of action, but I really don't feel like going that route. You know, with all the niceties and stuff and having to get papers and stuff served. I don't know. We'll figure something out. But it's not going to stand like it is. This is ridiculous. You know, it's just piss poor workmanship. So hey, if you like what you've been seeing here lately, we've been a little lax on our videos due to the fact that we're almost done getting ready to start on the trailer over there. So if you like what we see, give us a like, a notification, hit the notification bell, subscribe, leave a comment. We look forward to hearing from you and look forward to seeing your videos if you've got a video channel. Take care.